Hey, this is Art, and in this video I want to talk a little bit about Flipped and the whole formula, how it works and who is it for. So Flipped is a very simple formula. Anyone can do it. You need no experience, no money, you won't be dealing with websites, you don't need traffic in order to make it work. And actually very few people actually know how to do this and do it successfully, which makes this very easy not only to implement but then take it to a whole new level and being very successful with it. Essentially you will become a middleman, so you will be essentially making $20 to $80 per flip. So essentially you're buying something low, you're selling high, and each and every single time you are cashing in on the difference, which is between $20 and $80, sometimes more. Again, this is something very simple and newbie friendly. If you know how to copy and paste, that's all you need to do. You only need 5 minutes each time you do this, and inside the members area we will cover the whole formula. What you will see inside the members area is 14 over-the-shoulder videos. We will walk you through the whole process, so you won't be confused or lost at any point. We will show you exactly where to click, what to do, and how to make money as soon as possible, which if you're gonna do everything right will be in your first 24 hours, because this is literally super simple and anyone can do this. So a part of the 14 over-the-shoulder videos, we include some bonuses. We will include a script, a done-for-you script for the sellers. So essentially you don't need to even contact the sellers yourself. We will give you the script that you can copy and paste. We will add a free traffic cheat sheet. We will also add you to a Facebook group where you can ask us questions if you are lost or confused at any point. And we also add another secret bonus, which will make the whole thing even easier. So this is exactly what you will see inside Flipped, and we know that this will absolutely take you to a whole new level when it comes to making money online, even if you are a complete newbie and you have no experience or no time for that matter. So I'm looking forward to see you inside Flipped. Click the button below and we will see you inside the members area.